Mopar Chris here. Picked up an awesome trailer from Ballistics something. Can't even remember the name. But I love this trailer. It did a great job pulling my new toy home. Might need a bigger truck because, man, that's a lot of weight. But I'll come over here to my new toy. How do you say you're gonna go to Rednecks with Paychecks without saying it? Yeah. This is my newest edition. I know we're a built not bought club, but this thing needs a little work, you know. You can't see it. And I'm not climbing up there. You gotta pop the hood. Oh, no, it's already. But way up there, just call me Willie Nelson. Up there, in there, I can't reach any taller. That's a 6BT. So, but it's a 5-speed or 4-speed manual. It runs great. Needs a little work. Front drive shaft, and then the brakes to be worked on. But once I do that, I'll do more work to it. I don't know what Billy's doing, but yeah. Then I'm just gonna fuck around with it until something breaks in suspension, so I can fix it. You know, gotta shake it down. So until then, no, we can't put it in the pond. I could drive right through that pond if I wanted to, but we like fish, so yeah, there's that. Amanda will kill me. Please like, share, and subscribe. Let's not more from. I'm gonna do some giveaways for some music boxes from Milwaukee. Nice item. In the next video I put out, I will give you details on that. Mopar Chris, signing out.